Finna go to these dogs, they bayed up. Jazz them come on with it. Get through here. Which way? That's deep, ain't it? We got Pooh. That's my dog. We got Domino, his brother. Marcus, old nappy head. Smiley ain't gonna do shit. That boy Bubba. This is how we do it down in the country. We got 2 old veteran dogs and one young dog over here. Turn them loose at different angles. Maybe we'll catch more than one. You know what I'm saying? Jazz. It was clear over there. Keep him from pulling. Listen. Heard that old man? Huh? Just follow me, Jay. Fuck. We got to them yet, but we close. It will be some action. Feel me? Y'all get ready, Bubba. Hold on, y'all listen. Hold on, I'm gonna get y'all. We close now. We got Pooh, Domino. I'm waiting on y'all now, go. Dang. We got one stop right here. He broke. Here you go, he caught. He caught. We We got one caught right here. It's thick, ain't it? Here you go. Pooh got him. Ah! Dang. Fuck this shit, dude. I heard some big ones. We gonna get through this in a minute. It's thick as hell. He stopped that motherfucker though. He go hold it, go catch it. Hold that leg, son. It ain't getting away. I go catch that mother. Catch him. He ain't supposed to catch on that leg, but he did. But it ain't going nowhere. I guarantee you that. Break him off. Tie him up. Fuck, where my leash? James got it. There's a big one in there. There you are. Tie him up so he can cool off. That's cool, my dog. He ain't supposed to catch that leg. Hog was running. He stopped. There you go. Right, come here, Domino. Domino, brother. Hold on, what? I got it. Take that vest off, huh? He hot. Take that vest off him for me. What's this, a little bow? Get him, Jay. Jay.
What's up, baby?
Huh?
You know what I'm saying?
Smile ain't gonna do shit. Bubba getting his hands a little dirty.
He needs to.
I'll take chances. I'll send him in there without that vest next time. Cool him off. Pooh! 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 Get her! He the one called it. Brother coming there late. I don't know what he was doing. He tripping.
He went to his own hog.
He went to his own hog, but it's all good. Two of the top of the line catch dogs right here. Y'all get a good look at them. That boy Bubba.
Bubba.